In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel a pending withdrawal request and pocket option. But before we begin, in our previous video, we showed you how to withdraw money from pocket option using a Revolut account. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check it out because it walks you through the entire withdrawal process step by step, and this tutorial is a continuation of that guide. But the method we're covering here also applies to virtually any withdrawal or bank transfer option available on Pocket Option. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to go to the finance section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and go to the history. This is where you can manage all the transaction history here in your Pocket Option. Now, locate the withdrawal request you want to cancel. But please keep in mind, you can only cancel a withdrawal if its status is still pending or waiting to be processed. Because once the status changes to completed, the cancellation option is no longer available. But if the withdrawal is still pending, you'll see a cancel button next to the request. Simply click cancel, then confirm your decision when prompted. Pocket Option will cancel the withdrawal request and return the funds to your trading balance, allowing you to submit a new withdrawal if needed. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can cancel a withdrawal request in Pocket Option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.